everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today I thought it would be fun to share with you some end of summer / Labor Day treats. With Labor Day fast approaching, that means summer is officially coming to a close. So these easy treats are some healthy, others not so healthy, but they're fun to kind of decorate a table with or to just throw together quickly for a party. So hope you guys had an amazing summer. If you guys like watching quick treats, please subscribe and keep watching. Alright, for the first treat, all you need is strawberries, blueberries, and some whipped cream. I am using one that I bought from the store, but you can also make it yourself. The first thing you want to do is take out the leaf in the middle part of your strawberries. I do this with this handy dandy gadget that I bought from the store. I love it, but totally not necessary. And then you just cut a crisscross on the other side of it. And then you'll see all you do is fill it up with some whipped cream and top it off with a blueberry. Super easy, super delicious, but it just looks so cute. So hopefully this one is something you can try next time for your party. For this next summer treat, all you need is some watermelon, blueberries, and some skewer sticks. And what I'm doing in the beginning is taking some watermelon that I've sliced into kind of discs, and then I have a star cookie cutter, so I'm taking that and making star shapes out of the watermelon discs that I have. And that's it. Now you have some star-shaped watermelon. You are just going to start threading that through a skewer stick. I just put a star watermelon first, a few blueberries, another star, more blueberries, and then top it off with another star. It's really easy to make and so cute. Next up, I have a super simple treat for you guys. It's not something that I actually have more so than decorate my dessert table with a lot of times, or just kind of decorate the table with. And that is just marshmallow dipped chocolate. And for keeping with the theme of red, white, and blue, I am dipping it in some blue chocolate and topping it with some red sprinkles. That's it, super easy, looks cute, and I just love having this on my table. All right, for the last treat that I wanted to share with you guys, they are just chocolate dipped pretzel sticks. And I'm sharing with you guys a couple different techniques on how to do this or how to achieve it. The first technique is just taking my melted chocolate. First, I'm just taking some blue melting chocolate, drizzling that with a fork, which is back and forth, and then I just added some red sprinkles to it. The other version that I did of this is just melting some white chocolate in a cup, dipping my pretzel stick into that cup, and then I go back and drizzle it again with some blue chocolate. Now there's tons and tons of different ways to decorate the pretzel stick, so really it's up to you guys. I just want to share with you guys just different ideas that I've used in the past so that you can kind of get inspired by it. So these are really easy to do. They make great favors. They're also delicious. All right, there you guys go. I really hope you guys enjoyed some of those end of summer / Labor Day treats. Just because Labor Day is fast approaching and summer is coming to a close doesn't mean the fun stops. I can't wait for fall, can't wait for pumpkin season, and I have so much planned for you guys. So if you guys like treats and cooking and fall and summer, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.